Welcome friend, you're watching Dharas Infotech. In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to use string in Python language. So let's start with code. So here I'm having the variable a, and inside of variable a I'm storing some string in a single quote, which is myself single quote, and here one more string we use here, that is myself double quote. Now then we need to print these variables using print function. So let's try to print a first of all, then print b with. Now save this program with the suitable name. Make sure your program should be stored in your desired destination folder. So string str.py string.python. Now compile this program. Let's see, here is the output: myself single quote, myself double quote. Okay, but the problem is that if this code is occur inside of the string, then the Python compiler is get misunderstanding. Here is the end of string, but here is not actual end of the string. Here again it's not actual end of the string, but due to the repetition occurring of this single quote and double quote inside of the string, the interpreter get misunderstand and it's showing some syntax error. So save it and try to compile it. So definitely it will show the error, invalid syntax. So how to avoid this invalid syntax? You can use escape character, which is help to escape the given error. So simply you can use this escape character and compile your program with desired output. Let's see here. You can see the single quote will be shown here and double quote should be shown here. So thank you for watching Dharas Infotech. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.